Team Penthouse Protozoa is from the University of Oregon in Eugene, Oregon, United States. Agriculture is a leading cause of water pollution as fertilizer runoff enters bodies of water, causing eutrophication, a state where the overgrowth and decomposition of organic matter leads to the die-off of aquatic fauna. The team turned to the digestive system of the earthworm and small intestine and natural processes found within wetlands and soil. Their observations inspired them to explore how nature uses form and increased surface area for absorption, filtration, and the sequestering of valuable nutrients. Their design, called the Living Filtration System, modifies the form and material of field drainage tiles by incorporating a filter fabric inoculated with mycorrhizal fungi, which form a symbiotic relationship with plant roots, enhancing nutrient availability. The Living Filtration System decreases fertilizer inputs and costs, improves soil health, and decreases harmful runoff. By incorporating this design into current farming methods, we can begin the transition to more sustainable practices with far-reaching benefits.